The 2026 Suzuki Crossroad finally makes its mark in the ever-evolving world of crossovers, and it's a vehicle that promises not only to redefine expectations from Suzuki but also to shake up the market segment with a blend of rugged practicality and smart urban sophistication. This all-new iteration of the Crossroad carries forward Suzuki's legacy of engineering reliable, fuel-efficient, and adventure-ready vehicles while adding a modern design, tech-savvy features, and performance updates that are hard to ignore. At first glance, the 2026 Crossroad carries a striking presence. With its bold front grille, sharp LED lighting signature, sculpted body lines, and high ground clearance, it's clear that Suzuki has aimed for both form and function. The design language speaks of strength and versatility, a car that looks just as comfortable navigating a busy city street as it does climbing a rocky trail. The roof rails, two-tone paint schemes, and alloy wheel options lend a sporty touch, catering to the growing demand for vehicles that blend style with substance. Inside, the new Crossroad is a step up from anything Suzuki has done in this category before. The cabin is spacious, airy, and refined, with a strong emphasis on ergonomic comfort and intuitive technology. Soft touch materials, contrast stitching, and ambient lighting create a premium atmosphere. The dashboard features a large floating infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while a fully digital instrument cluster and head-up display provide the driver with all essential information at a glance. Rear seat passengers benefit from ample legroom and USB charging ports, making it a family-friendly choice as well. Under the hood, Suzuki offers the Crossroad with multiple powertrain options, including a 1.5-liter mild hybrid petrol engine, a more powerful 1.4-liter turbocharged unit, and even a full hybrid variant in select markets. The engines are tuned for both performance and efficiency, ensuring spirited driving without compromising fuel economy. For those seeking more adventurous capabilities, Suzuki's all-grip all-wheel drive system is available, providing better traction and control on challenging terrain. A CVT and a 6-speed automatic gearbox option cater to different driving preferences, and Suzuki's attention to fuel efficiency continues to be a major plus point, particularly in markets where affordability and economy are key concerns. Safety is a big highlight in the 2026 Crossroad. Suzuki has equipped the model with a comprehensive suite of safety features including lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, emergency braking assist, and a 360-degree camera system. These features are designed to appeal not only to younger drivers who demand technology but also to families who prioritize safety. Suzuki's improved chassis dynamics and suspension tuning further contribute to a smoother, more confident ride. In terms of practicality, the Crossroad doesn't disappoint. The boot space is generous, the rear seats fold flat for additional cargo capacity, and clever storage solutions throughout the cabin ensure that every inch of space is utilized efficiently. Whether it's daily commuting, weekend getaways, or long road trips, the 2026 Suzuki Crossroad feels built for it all. Overall, the 2026 Suzuki Crossroad finally delivers on the promise of being more than just a crossover. It's a capable, comfortable, and cleverly designed vehicle that reflects the needs of the modern driver. Suzuki's blend of rugged DNA with contemporary flair ensures that the Crossroad appeals to a broad range of customers, from young professionals and growing families to outdoor enthusiasts. With competitive pricing, strong after-sales support, and Suzuki's reputation for reliability, the new Crossroad stands tall as a smart and confident choice in its segment.